If you feel like 24 hours is never enough, you're doing it wrong. Today, I'll share 10 time management tricks that can save you hours every single day. These aren't complicated, but they work. 1. Start with one priority. Don't start your day with emails. Start with the single most important task. 2. The 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 3. Time block your day. Plan specific hours for specific tasks, no multitasking. Set micro deadlines. Deadlines create focus. Short deadlines create intense focus. Fifth, batch similar tasks. Group calls together, emails together, errands together. 6. Learn to say no. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something important. 7. Use a distraction list. Write down distractions, handle them later. 8. Take breaks before burnout. Recharge before you crash, not after. 9. Limit decisions. The fewer small decisions you make, the more brain power you keep. 10. End your day with tomorrow's plan. Leave your desk knowing exactly where to start tomorrow. Time is your most valuable resource. Spend it wisely. If you found this useful, share it with someone who needs more hours in their day. If you're ready to start small and see big results, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs this boost today.